show you a new product from Caldwell Shooting Supplies today. It's the new Fire Control full-length rest. It's a revolutionary rifle rest that has some great features we'd like to run through and show you how it works. The real heart of the design is the fire control mechanism. It's a unique series of interacting plates that can be controlled with this arm. As the arm is moved, the front cradle moves in that same direction. It allows 360 degrees of adjustment, so you can move the rifle in any direction to help you get the crosshairs on target. At any point you release the control arm, the rifle stays exactly there. The two key benefits to the fire control mechanism are the ability to get your crosshairs aligned precisely and remain in a fully relaxed position, but also for follow-up shots. After one shot's been made, you can very easily and quickly get back on target without having to stop and tighten anything or make any further adjustments. Other rests might require a little bit of pushing or leaning or tweaking to get the crosshairs exactly where you want them. But with the fire control, the control arm allows you to get those crosshairs exactly there and remain in a fully relaxed position. That'll help you with a better trigger pull and make a more accurate shot. The first step in getting your rest ready to use would be to adjust the leveling feet. It's got 3 stainless steel feet. They're spiked on the ends, so they'll give you good contact with a wood bench. Lock the nuts in place there, then you've got a good solid platform to operate from. Once your feet are leveled, then it's time to put your rifle on the rest. You can use the fore-end stop to index your fore-end to the same position each time. And adjust the bag ears here to pinch the bag in and get the right amount of contact between your fore-end and the front bag. Then you're going to want to adjust your course elevation. This is done by loosening the lock knob, dialing the control elevation knob here. Lock that in place once you're approximately on target. And again, that gives you a good solid platform. Once you're on target, the control arm will give you about 60 minutes of angle or 5 feet of adjustment at 100 yards. That's going to be plenty of room to manipulate and get your crosshairs lined up. Your full-length fire control rest will come partially assembled. The first step in assembly is to connect the main base assembly to the front fire control mechanism. Next, assemble the control arm mechanism with the thumb screw that's included. The optional palm handle can go on in front of the control knob. Next, connect the course elevation knob, secure it with the screw, and finally, the fore-end stop can be assembled. This is an optional piece that'll help you index the fore-end to the same position after each shot. The adjustment tension of the control mechanism has been preset at the factory for your average rifle, but 4 nylon tip set screws in the front of the rest will allow for further adjustments. And that's all there is to it. You're ready to go to the range.